I'm the Techspert, and welcome to my review of the IconX Willy's MB Jeep. Okay, I'm just going to start off by saying that when this first came out on the Fashion Nation's website, I was super excited because I love Willy's Jeeps, especially old ones, and so I wanted to get my hands on this as soon as I could. This was a super fun set to build. It was pretty easy compared to my last set, 3D Models Pirate Ship. You can check out that video if you want to. It's on my channel. But there's so much detail in this set. It is packed with cool features like the chairs right here. They've got little springs on them. They're pretty fun. Gas can, a bunch of really cool stuff, and a lot of the pieces didn't break, which is good because this one broke like crazy. And this one I actually only broke 2 pieces on the wheels, and it's still fine. I did not have to use any super glue on this one, thankfully. But I'm going to stop talking about how fun it is to build, and I'm just going to recommend to you my time-lapse video. Okay, so out of the box, you have everything that you would expect to find in one of these. You got this fancy tray that has your 2 metal plates on it with all of your parts, and I already cut these out because I already built it. Then you have your instruction manual, or instruction manuals. They're pretty big. Then you have a complimentary pair of tweezers. Nothing fancy, but it helps to build it. I'm going to give you a bit of a history lesson right now. So this is in the IconX lineup of Fascinations, even though it says Metal Earth on the box. They make historical figures into these Metal Earth sets, or IconX sets, like Big Bang, Humvee's Queen Anne's Revenge, and on the back of the box it says, from 1941 to 1945, Willy's brand produced 300,000 Willy's MB Jeep models for the US Army. This 4x4 utility truck was the original go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle during World War II. Every infantry regiment was provided with 144 Willy's MB Jeep models. So obviously these were pretty important, and it's a great set. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to check out my other channel and watch my other videos. But anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.